Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So this morning's ride was, apparently my microphone was unplugged. Had to redo the mount on my my GoPro. The sticky unstuck. The mount that I have on my helmet is kind of more. It was kind of more like a chin mount, but so it was kind of only really sticking well on the top half of the mount, so I had to take it off, and that's why I love that silicone tape. It's the same tape I use on my on the horn cover. You still see it there? There it is. So anyways, I took a blowtorch and just heated up the plastic a little bit and flattened it out, so that the whole thing would be sitting on the helmet. So it's nice and secure now. So I guess I'll tell you guys about what I was talking about on the way in. It's a balmy 38 degrees. It's so hot out here. But I went over to, I got a little bit of video of me coming over to receiving, which is just down the way here. I don't know, probably won't put that in because we're going the same way here. So, but anyways, this morning I dropped off a package for Rick and John. That's in the mail, so you guys keep an eye out for that. You got yourself some horn plate covers, some horn covers coming. Not going to tell you the color, but ooh, it's a little windy. I think you'll like them. So anyways, yeah, I was just telling you that I got the second printer set up, obviously, and hang on a second. So gotta be careful around here. It's kind of a blind curve, you know. So anyways, just telling you that I got the printer going and really cranking out orders. Man, orders have picked up this week, quite a few. I'd like to send a special shout out to a pretty cool girl out in Cali. Very nice. I made her a C-pin cover plate, and she had it engraved. Her bike was a gift for Valentine's Day, so that's pretty awesome. So we've been chatting back and forth, and she sent me some pictures. Also made her some awesome hot pink washers. This color turned out pretty good. So, and so yeah, we did that. Shout out to my buddy down in Florida. He bought a horn cover. He sent me some pictures. He said that the gold silk that I have, which is, you know, it's not quite a metallic, but it looks like gold, that he said it was amazing. He's got a SP, and he said it matches up perfectly with the gold on there. So that's pretty cool. We got some more. He even came back and ordered some gold undertail washers, so that's pretty awesome. Just a ton of orders. My guys in Australia, just everybody. You guys are awesome. So if I forgot to mention you, I'm sorry, but my memory's complete crap anyways. So. Oh man, I want to get up to this light. Come on! Yeah, it's been, oh god. I'm not gonna get I'm not gonna get it, but as soon as we see the people going straight, oh, thank god. Alright, there we go. So yeah, we're cranking away. I did some custom colors. I'm definitely considering, I've done a couple already of these silk colors. That's what the horn cover is. So I found a company on Amazon that makes some really nice stuff. It works out really nice, and they've got a ton of awesome colors. So I think I'm going to be doing some more of those. I'll be ordering them here and there, and I'll drop them on Insta. You guys can check that out. There's some pretty badass colors, and they're more of a shiny. They really like collect the light, and the way that, you know, I print them, the filament goes in like different directions, so it kind of adds like a sparkle to it. That's what I said, like with the gold ones. That's pretty cool. I need to take some pictures out in the sun, so you guys stay tuned for that. And man, my eyes are burning. I'm sure it has nothing to do with the cold. Anyways, 5-0. So but yeah, it's supposed to be absolute shite tomorrow. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so that kind of sucks. Yeah, I'm waiting for a nicer day. We'll see Sunday. I don't know how long it's gonna be nice. You know, I still gotta put those Pro Taper bars that John sent me, Rick's brother, and Rick sent me some Renthal grips, which is nice. And I've been ordering a bunch of stuff for my son. His birthday's in 6 days. I'm gonna be 18, so I don't want to spoil it in case he watches this. I'm sure he might. So yeah, I'm not gonna spoil what I got, but let's just say it's pretty cool. So, and even came up with an idea for something, and I got some parts, and because he wants to get the Navi, so I told him he should probably wait until he's 18, and then he can just go buy it. He's got the cash. So, but yeah, you know, it's not too bad of a day out. It's I mean, it's cold, but it's not too bad, you know. So, but yeah, we're looking at going into the weekend here. I hope everybody's gonna, you know, have a good weekend. Just gonna hang out and probably just watch a lot of YouTube. That's what I normally do. But yeah, I'm trying to think of what else do we got going on here. Trying to think. Come on, man, pay attention. Fuck's sake. Good thing I put that horn back on, huh? People do that all the time there. Just pull out. They don't even look. But, oh yeah, my son took my car. He does that, vocational firefighting. So while he's going to school, he goes out to a vocational school near us out in Caneland and does firefighting stuff. So, because he, like I said, he wants to be a fireman. So that's awesome. But he took the beer mobile out there, and you know, all his friends were digging it and everything. So that's pretty cool. I remember being that age, you know. Nobody I ever knew had a cool muscle car. So, but yeah, you know, he's a good kid. I trust him, and so not too worried. But yeah, so as usual, it's Friday. I like to try to take off of work around 12:30. Start the weekend off right. I gotta pick up some more beer. So I'll hop off the bike, run inside real quick, and head over to the liquor store. So, but yeah, it's been pretty good this last week. It's been It's been all right. I didn't really want to drive the car. It's so expensive. I mean, gas prices are going down, thank God, but you know. That dog did not like the bike. He's like, oh, oh. What is up with that? Why do dogs not like motorcycles? I've seen videos of that where like dogs are attacking people, and I'm like, what the fuck? So I've never had a dog bark at me before. It must be something about the engine or something. I don't know. Who knows? But we're approaching the Casa here. We'll jump out of here and go grab the good stuff. So, but appreciate everybody watching, and I know it's been a week or two since I did a motovlog, so, but yeah, thanks for coming along and enjoying the frozen motovlogs of 2022. Oh, one thing I was gonna say, you know, just hit 700 last week, 700 subs, so I thank you guys so much. And in fact, as of today, we're up to 720, so that's awesome. Thank you guys. And so we gotta do something to celebrate. I said maybe I gotta grab a bottle of tequila or something. I like me some tequila, so we'll do some shots and celebrate 700 subs. But yeah, all right guys, we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy.